Our connections everywhere to make sure that people could hear us across platforms. And Jen, everyone, I'm Moonlight, your host over here during today's Community AMA session. We have released every other week. Oh, let me double check our connections on Binance Live over here as well, because it shows that the host is still connecting. Okay. And while we are checking our connections to Binance Live, I just want to let everyone know that we usually streaming our AMA sessions across different platforms. So more audience could join our session and learn about Nimble. And today we're very happy that we are streaming on our YouTube and our X streaming, and as well as now Binance Live connecting it. So if you are watching us across platforms, feel free to also come to our Discord server and give us a follow on X so you will not miss other important updates that we do not broadcasting across platforms. Being said that, I would like to introduce our teammates over here. We have Sarah and Alex. Sarah, would you like to start to introduce yourself and your role at Nimble? Thank you.
Of course. Hi guys. Hi Nimble fam. I'm Sarah. I'm the content lead at Nimble Network, also the ecosystem manager here. So hi, nice to meet with you all again.
Awesome. Nice to meeting you again over here as well, Sarah. And Alex, would you also like to introduce yourself and your role at Nimble to our audience? Thank you.
Hey guys, how's it going? Alex here, head of marketing. You all know me from the ad panels and all the community AMAs. So super happy to be back and to tell you what we've been doing all about it for the past 2 weeks.
Nice. Yes. And today we definitely have a lot of things I would like to share with everyone. We even prepare a video for you all to watch at the end of our AMA session. And first thing, let's go over to our tech bite. And this is going to go over to Alex to let our audience know about what's happening in our tech department. Thank you.
Yeah, I mean, the focus for the past 2 weeks has been generally the AI notebook and our miner rewards, which, Moonlight, you're going to talk about in a little bit. I know you've been in talks a lot with our early miners and like the current miners, just trying to get everybody up to speed on where we are and what kind of rewards you can get. But on the notebook side, we've been talking a lot about how our backend is almost ready, how our front end is basically in progress, and we're going to announce this huge launch pretty soon with the AI notebook, so developers can actually start building AI agents with the notebook. So right now, we've optimized the notebook creation flow, for a better UX. I think this is something that we wanted to have as smooth as possible, and we're testing the system stability. What good is an app if it's not stable enough when you try to use it? So that's been the main testing for the past week or so, and we want to support more miner participations in AI notebook tasks in the future. Right now, you do get those pings for the GPUs, but as we're going to ramp up, from the proof of commitment back to like a real AI task, then it's gonna be super cool to see everything kind of scale up efficiently. We would definitely need somebody from the tech team to like do a demo, one of these days, for everyone who's interested to see. And yeah, I mean, on the dashboard side, we're trying to improve the dashboard in terms of what you can actually see. Right now, you can see how many Nimble tokens you've accrued per transaction, how many transactions have been completed. And your ranking as well on the leaderboard, but we want to give you a bit more in terms of what you can see. So that's going to be coming up, with a little bit refresh. And the SDK, that's a work in progress, right? We've definitely successfully tested model uploads via the SDK. So there's going to be additional features coming up and to better support the developers. That's kind of the main deal on the tech side, and not to mention the order book. We used to talk a lot about the order book every single day. 2 or 3 months ago, but now we've figured out stability. There's a great mashup and like a good I'd say balance between the AI tasks coming in and then the GPU compute needed. So that works just basically like lock and key. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Nice. Thank you so much. Wow. So we have many products that is lining up and ready to push pretty soon to our community members and the public and also the developer community, right? We're definitely very paying a lot of attention to build our connections with AI developers in the Web3 space. So, well, we are also actually organizing a virtual AI hackathon. It's going to happen around November and very exciting about.
All right.
Yeah, so friends, yeah, be sure to give Nimble a follow so you will not miss more important information. Perhaps if you are listening or watching our Community AMA session and you are interested in being part of our AI hackathon event, feel free to sign up when we have the platform sharing over here publicly. And next, we'd like to hear from Sarah, our content lead and ecosystem manager, to talk about our marketing and events. Thank you.
So I'll just start with some partnerships that we've been working on this week. So what to know first is we announced our collaboration with Verify by integrating Nimble's AI Agent Hub and advanced development tools to unlock new possibilities for AI-driven Web3 applications. So this announcement came even alongside a joint quest where Nimblers can earn many exciting opportunities by like earning even more points from this quest. And I'll leave the events and panels for Alex. Do you want to take that part?
Cool.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I mean, look, on the event side, we continue to do AI panels. In fact, we did a really big one with Manta Network. We've got like almost 20,000 views, which is crazy. That's incredible. The number of impressions. So yeah, we had one in Manta last week. Today, like this week, you saw me and Moonlight jump on the call with the CEO of Talus Network and with the CEO of Legendary Humanity, who we actually had a campaign with. So you can still go in, earn some Nimble points, and give us a follow as well, and give them a follow as well. So there are a lot of campaigns going on, and yeah, I mean, events wise, Token 2049 is still on our mind, right? Team came back with very productive, maybe a little tired here and there. I know me and Sarah were there. Moonlight, you missed it, unfortunately. But we actually shot some really cool little videos. So like some like a fireside chat. Sarah asking me about Nimble and like the future of AI, and then me trying to answer it while I, sometimes we giggle and we'll cut those out of the way. But we might just post the bloopers. Honestly, that would be really cool to do. So yeah, that's kind of what we've been up to, for the past 2 weeks.
That is very nice. Thank you so much to Sarah and Alex for sharing our marketing and event updates as well as our BD, right? And of course, yeah, for me, since I have a title at the community at Nimble, right? So I'm going to talk about our community updates. Yesterday we had, actually earlier today, yeah, we had a very important announcement, right? Because all the early miner rewards were distributed, and I really have to, be happy to all of our miners. I saw some of the miners share how much tokens that they receive, right, from their wallets, and something like got more than 5,000 tokens. That's a lot. So we love all of our miners, especially our early supporters, right? You all play very important role in building the Nimble project along the way, right? That's why we have these early miner rewards as kind of like a token of appreciation and celebrate all of your contributions to the Nimble ecosystem from early on. So I remember we started to collect the wallet address about 2 weeks ago, right? So if you remember to fill out the form and share your wallet address with us, our tech team have spent time to make sure that they check all the records, right, and check all the submissions, so that if you match all the criteria, then you will receive the rewards. So be sure to check your wallets, because you might find something over there and a lot of tokens from Nimble as early miner rewards. And starting yesterday, we are also planning more Discord activities to our community members. So friends, be sure to join our Discord server, because we will have another new weekly campaigns for our community members to receive the Nimble points. Because I know a lot of non-technical community members in our community, right? And they were asking, hey, Moonlight, if I don't know how to use GPU to mine the Nimble tokens, how do we have the opportunity to also receive part of the Nimble tokens, right? Since we have that written on our token economy, and saying that we do have a portion of the Nimble tokens that's going to distribute to our community. So here we are. We're going to create more activities within our Discord server for everyone to have a chance to win Nimble points, and later there will be a conversion rate for everyone, so like how much it convert into Nimble tokens. Don't forget to come here to be our weekly winners on our Discord server. And once again, shout out to all of our miners. Keep mining, keep building, and stay tuned for more exciting updates from Nimble. Now I'm going to play a short video. Let me double check. I'm going to stop sharing this one and share another one over here, the Tech Bites episode 1. Super exciting about this. I'm going to enlarge the screen, make sure that we all could hear it. Oh.
Imagine a world where AI doesn't just rely on massive, centralized server owned by a few tech giants, but instead operates on a decentralized network harnessing the power of collective contribution. This is the vision behind Nimble Network, a Web3 version of Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, or IBM Cloud. We are redefining how AI systems are built, trained, and coordinated. Today, we will explore how Nimble is revolutionizing AI through its innovative system architecture, AI coordination, and decentralized consensus. At the core of any AI system are 3 essential elements: data, models, and the infrastructure that connects them. In Nimble's architecture, these components work together in harmony to achieve powerful AI predictions and training outcomes. But what sets Nimble apart is its ability to handle data from multiple sources, processing, and refining it to form a robust data store. This data store isn't just a static repository, it's reusable and composable, allowing models to be built, trained, and enhanced collaboratively. Each AI model in Nimble's network is not a solitary entity. Instead, it's part of a larger ecosystem where models depend on each other, sharing insight and improving collectively. This interconnectedness is the foundation for the platform's innovative approach to AI. In a decentralized AI system like Nimble, coordination is key. Unlike traditional systems where a single entity manages resources, Nimble distributes this responsibility across the network. This platform enables GPUs, data, and developers, essentially the lifeblood of AI, to collaborate seamlessly. Here's what it gets interesting. Nimble introduced the concept of miners who specialize in either data or model tasks. These miners work together to train models more efficiently, sharing their progress and update. By leveraging a consensus layer, Nimble ensures that all these resources are coordinated effectively, creating a scalable AI network. But coordination isn't just about managing resources. It's about building a trust network where participants can rely on each other, even in a decentralized environment. Nimble's consensus layer plays a crucial role here, distributing tokens and managing reputations, ensuring that the network remains secure and fair. One of the most groundbreaking aspects of Nimble is its decentralized consensus protocol. In a decentralized network, trust isn't given, it's earned. And this is where Nimble's innovative approach shines. The consensus protocol is responsible for distributing tokens to all participants, evaluators, miners, and users, based on their contribution to the network. Nimble leverages the Cosmos SDK, which is a powerful tool that enables scalability and flexibility, allowing the network to grow and evolve. A unique feature of this protocol is the concept of particles, which present different entities within the network, such as evaluators and miners. These particles interact through a peer-to-peer network, ensuring that every contribution is recognized and rewarded appropriately. But the real magic happens when the network consensus and user layers are combined, allowing for even more seamless interaction and coordination. Each node in the network can operate independently, contributing to the overall system while maintaining the decentralized ethos. Nimble is more than just an AI platform. It's a vision for the future of technology. By decentralizing AI, it empowers individuals and organizations to collaborate on an unprecedented scale, breaking free from the limitations of traditional systems. As we continue to explore the potential of Nimble, one thing is clear. The future of AI is decentralized, coordinated, and built on trust. Join us on this journey as we unlock the full potential of Nimble Network, where the power of AI is truly in everyone's hand.
Wow, I just love it. Oh my goodness. This is definitely a very, very good one. Okay, let me double check over here. I'm going to stop share the screen and then come back to our session over here. Yeah, and once again, thank you so much for joining today's Nimble bi-weekly Community AMA, where we share our latest update from different departments to everyone. Before we wrap up the session, Sarah and Alex, would you like to say any additional information with our audience? Thank you.
Sure, I'll go ahead.
Go.
Do you want to go ahead?
No, you go,
Okay.
Sarah.
Okay. So we have some more updates from the content side. In the past few weeks, we released a detailed Nimble Miner setup guide, which is really easy to follow tutorial for setting up your wallet and just getting started with the mining Nimble network. And we have that both in English and in Mandarin, so you can find that in our YouTube channel. We also recently published a new article outlining our vision for building the AI sharing economy. So if you haven't read it yet, make sure to go to our Twitter, give us a follow, and give it a read. And another thing to notice that is previously you may notice we have many like mini tech bites in our YouTube channel, and now we are revising it by making them into 4 comprehensive videos introducing the technology behind Nimble Network. So what you just seen is the very first episode, and we have more episodes to come this week. Yeah.
That is just nice. Thank you so much, Sarah, for the additional information. And Alex, the stage is yours.
Yeah, I just want to talk to everyone. Like, thanks everyone for showing up again. Super excited to have you here. And yeah, catch us in Bangkok at DevCon. We're gonna be there. We're gonna have a lot more videos to push out in the next couple of weeks. So you're gonna see a lot of faces, a lot from us.
Nice. And yeah, since it's called DevCon, right? Alex, help us to find more participants for our virtual AI hackathon. That's going to be exciting. Yeah,
Let's go.
So much. And everyone, shout out to all of our builders in the Web3 space, and be sure to join our Nimble community. Thank you so much. I'm going to close our backstage now. Have a great rest of the day, everyone. Bye.
See you guys.
See you.
See you next time.
That is just another amazing conversation over here. Awesome. Okay. I see that we have friends asking they are still using the old wallet. Yeah, actually, Michelle, can you come to our Discord server? We're going to help you over layer. Okay, Michelle, we are going to help you layer at our Discord server step by step. Okay, we're going to help you. There's actually a guide, or you could actually take a look of our pinned tweet over our X handle, so you could see the updated mining wallet information. So maybe you could use the code there that we shared to upgrade your wallet as well. Thank you so much, and looking forward to chatting with you within our Discord server. Thank you. Let's play some music to wrap our session. Thank you so much, everyone.